Dinner, 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 dinner.
Hey guys!
It's me, Devon. I'm a new dude. Yep.
Yeah, he's
I'm
an
a
idiot.
Dude. Oh, shut the hell up! Oh, come on. I'm allowed to say house, so dude, who gives a flying monkey?
Flying monkey.
Flying monkey! Anyway, oh gosh, I think someone just jumped off the cliff. Oh, that's a bird. That's a bird. Help! Ew, there's a dead bird over there. Ew.
Well, the camera isn't working. I don't know why, but yeah. So it
and I'm gonna put my hand on the grill. So yeah, enjoy the sound.
Listen to it. Get paid.
Ow! Ow, dude, stop! Stop making those sounds.
And it was actually on with fire. Fire.
I've done it a million times.
Yeah.
When I was a little baby, I jumped into the stove at 500 degrees because I wanted to eat my pizza.
Anyway, so this is the end of this video. This is the end of this video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll find out what's the problem, but yeah, peace out.